Hello! To set up apps timers on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll all the way down and go into the digital well-being and parental controls. And right here, a little bit down below, we have the app timers, so let's go in there. And first of all we have to select the applications which we want to set timers for, and there's the list of all of the applications right here, and I also have the categories. So for example, if you want to set timers for all the music applications, you select the category of audio, as you can see. So let's press done, for example, and here you set up the timer name. So I don't know, let's input the music right here. And the next thing we have to do, the last thing, is the schedule, and we set right here for which days you want this timer. So for example, let's disable the weekends, only the 5 days in the week, and we can set, I don't know, let's for example set 1 hour for the music applications, and now we press save. And as you can see right here, we have the preview of how much time we have left for this music applications. So yeah, that's basically how to set up the apps timers. Simple as that. Thank you for watching.